Welcome sa Sipnayan.com. In this video, tutuloy natin ating series on laws of exponents. No? Sabi natin sa previous video, a raised to the m times a raised to the n is equal to a raised to the m plus n. Hindi ko na i-detalye pa paano ito kinuha. No? Diniscuss na natin yan sa previous video. So kung hindi nyo alam yung law na yan and you want to know bakit ganyan, you can watch the previous videos. No? The question is, ito multiplication ito, no? So, what about a raised to the m divided by a raised to n? So, multiplication, what about division? Ano naman ang equivalent niya? So, bago natin kunin ito, siguro magkaroon tayo ng specific example na what about x to the 5th over x cubed. So, this is division. No? Katulad nito, no? Same base sila. Tapos, syempre, merong exponent. Sabi natin sa previous videos, ang x to the 5th is x times x times x times x times x. So, kung ilan yung exponent, yun ang number of factors makikita nyo dito, no? Base na nandito. So, x cubed means x times x times x. Now, sabi natin pag nag-cancel tayo, di ba? Pag nag-x over x tayo, pag nag-cancel tayo, magiging 1 over 1. Ang pinanggalingan yan is, for example, meron kang number na 4 over 6. Paano mo yan? Paano natin yan ni-reduce to lowest terms? We divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. For example, 2. So we divide by 2. This is 2. And we divide by 2. This is 3. In this case, we divide both the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by x. So x divided by x is equal to 1. And then x divided by x is also equal to 1. Meaning, lahat ng x over x dito, we can write them as 1 over 1. So 1 over 1, 1 over 1, 1 over 1. Okay? So, ilan na lang natira? Dalawang x's. So x times x is x squared. 1 times 1 times 1 times x is x squared. And then yung denominator natin, 1 times 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. X squared divided by 1 is equal to x squared. Number 2, another example. M to the 4th divided by m cubed. So this is equal to m times n times n times n divided by m times n times n, which is equal to 1 over 1. 1 over 1 per pair. No? So, matitira, this is 1 times 1 times 1 times m. And 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. M over 1 is m. Napansin ninyo, no? Observe that x to the 5th, no? If we write like this, x to the 5th divided by x cubed is equal to x squared, no? Anong relationship ng tatlong yun? 5, 3, tsaka 2. Anong relationship niya? Parang mina-minus, no? 5 minus 2 is 2, di ba? So, actually, mina-minus siya kasi pag nag-cancel tayo, tinatanggal natin yung isa-isang excess sa bawat dito. So, mauubos itong nasa baba. Yung tatlong sa baba, mauubos siya. Tapos, mauubos din yung tatlong maka-cancel din, yung tatlong nasa taas. And matitira is dalawa. So, actually, we are subtracting those numbers or those variables. No? So x to the 5th is actually the same as x to the 5th over x cubed is actually the same as x to the 5th minus 3, which is equal to x squared. Ganon din sa m to the 4th over m cubed. No? So m to the 4th is m to the 4th over m cubed is actually equal to m to the 4 minus 3 because we're canceling 3 m's. So this is equal to m to the 1st power, or just m. 4 minus 3 is 1. Ibig sabihin, if we have the same base, no, a to the m, ito na pala yung taas, a to the m over a raised to n is equal to a, antok na, a raised to the m minus n. Provided, mapapansin nyo, m is greater than n. So, mas malaki yung exponent natin sa numerator. Ang baliktad nito, yung less than n, i-discuss natin sa susunod na video. No? But for now, mas malaki yung exponent sa numerator. Let's have a few examples. Number 1, we have y to the 9th over y to the 5th. So this is just y raised to 9 minus 5, which is y to the 4th. Ba madali lang? Number 2, we have 6x cubed over 9, 9x. So pag ganito, meron tayong number, no? Numbers tayo. We have 6 over 9, walay natin. And then we have x cubed times x, which is equal to, parang lowest terms to. This is 2/3 divided by 3. Again, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And x cubed divided by x is x to the 3rd power minus 1. Again, excuse me, itong x cubed over x can be written as x cubed minus 1, x raised to the 3 minus 1 kasi yung x natin dito meron yung power naman. So meaning we have 2/3 x cubed minus 1 or x squared. So that's another example. Next example, we have, I think we'll have one last example kasi magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming examples sa susunod na videos na tulo na to, no? So we have number 3, example 3. 10 n to the 4th divided by 2n to the 2nd power n squared. So ganun din, we separate 10 over 2 and then we have n to the 4th over n squared, which is equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5, and then n raised to the 4 minus 2, which is equal to 5n raised to the 2nd power. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Tapos meron tayong 5. Okay, that's it. No? But then again, yung case natin dito is m is greater than n. Wala pa tayong case na m is less than n. Susunod natin ang video yan. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating Facebook page, no, sa facebook.com/sipnayanph and our YouTube channel. Subscribe kayo, no, kasi mas marami pa tayong videos na i-upload. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.